Hello once again, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about conjunctions and we will focus on coordinating conjunctions. Other types of conjunctions like subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, plus conjunctive adverbs will be learned in the following videos as it may be time consuming somehow when they are combined in the one video. So, by the end of this video, you will understand what conjunctions are, the different types of coordinating conjunctions, how they are used in sentences, and some important exceptions. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Conjunctions help us join ideas together so that our sentences become clearer and more complete. For example, I like tea and coffee. She was tired but she continued working. In these examples, the words and but connect ideas. So as I've told you, we are going to focus on coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect elements of equal importance or grammatical type in a sentence. These elements can be words, phrases, or independent clauses. The most common coordinating conjunctions can be remembered using the acronym Funny Boys. F for A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S so. Let's look at each one and understand how it is used. The first one is for. This conjunction is used to explain a reason. It means something similar to because. Examples: she stayed at home for she was feeling sick. I closed the window for it was getting cold. Here, for introduces the reason for the action. The second is and. This conjunction is used to add information or connect similar ideas. Examples: John bought apples and oranges. She finished her homework and went to bed. In both sentences, and joins ideas that are related. The third is nor. The conjunction nor is used to connect two negative ideas. Examples: she does not like coffee, nor does she like tea. He did not call me, nor did he send a message. Here, nor continues a negative statement. The fourth is but. This conjunction is used to show contrast or opposition between ideas. Examples: I wanted to go outside, but it was raining. He studied very hard, but he did not pass the exam. If you have understood well these examples, the second ideas contrast with the first one. The fifth is or. This is used to show choice or alternatives. Examples: would you like tea or coffee? We can go to the park or stay at home. Here, or presents different options. The sixth is yet. The conjunction yet also shows contrast similar to but, but it often emphasizes something surprising. Examples: she is very young, yet she is very wise. The task was difficult, yet they completed it. The second idea contrasts with the first one in a surprising way. Seventh, which is the last in Funny Boys, is so. The conjunction so is used to show result or consequence. Examples: it was raining heavily, so we stayed inside. He studied very hard, so he passed the exam. Here, so connects the cause and the result. Now let's go to the exceptions and the special use of coordinating conjunctions. When coordinating conjunction connect two independent clauses, we usually press a comma before the conjunction. Example: I wanted to travel, but I did not have enough money. However, when the conjunction connects words or phrases, a comma is not needed. Example: she bought apples and bananas. Another exception is that sometimes and is used to show sequence of actions, not just addition. Example: he opened the door and walked inside. Also, so is sometimes avoided in very formal writing when it connects two independent clauses. Instead, writers may use words like therefore or thus. Example: it was late, therefore we went home. Finally, nor requires inversion of the verb and subject in the second clause. Example: she did not attend the meeting, nor did she send an apology. So as we conclude today's lesson, let's remain with a takeaway. The first one is, conjunctions are words that connect ideas in a sentence. Among them, coordinating conjunctions connects elements of equal importance. Remember the word Funny Boys to recall the 7 coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Each one has a special function such as showing reasons, addition, contrast, choice, or result. Understanding how these conjunctions work will help you write clearer and more effective sentences in English. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.